so beautiful.
Yes. Thank you. Guys, do you agree with my sister? She's saying I look beautiful. I look beautiful.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by.
I know. I'm looking very scraggy, shabby, happy, whatever. I know I'm still the one in the intro video, and this is still me here. But this is me without Ossilee's hair. Guys, I've not really been myself. I've been down with a cold, and I've not even had the strength to do anything. But today I said no, not today. Devil, never. I'm going to slay. I'm going to look good, and all thanks to Ossilee's hair, I would be looking and feeling good. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous hair from Ossilee's hair. Is it pronounced Ossilee or I don't know? In my language, this is supposed to be pronounced as Ossilee hair or something, because I'm Igbo and a Nigerian. So this hair came with a lot of goodies. Okay, I have the band, the elastic band. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So here is the elastic band. I also got lashes and wig cap, and also this edge brush. I don't know how many of these I have now, but thank you. And the last but not the least, my hair. Guys, this hair is oh sorry, I keep making noise with this thing. Ta-da! Guys, this hair is a 26 inches body with frontal wig, 13 by 4 frontal wig. Guys, this color is a vibe on its own. This is the color chocolate brown. Guys, see the knots of this hair. It's a HD frontal, so you can see it. It's very clear and already plugged. It's pre-plugged already, so I don't have so much work to do. But I love this hair. I love the color. I think I'm more in love with the color and the waves. Let me try this on before we actually lay this hair, and you tell me what you think. Do you think it's going to come out nicely? From just looking at this video like this, what do you think? Do you think this video is going to come out? Do you think this hair is going to suit me? Do you think this color is nice on me? Does it suit me? Tell me. Drop your comments in the comment section. What do you think? What do you think about this wave? Is it wavy? Is the wave waving? Stay and watch this video till the end. Right now, I'm waiting for my hairstylist, because this hair has to be styled to perfection or nothing. So I'm waiting for him. He's on his way now, but I could not wait. I have to sit down. So immediately he's coming in, we're starting. I don't need any negative vibe. This hair has to be slayed today. I have to look good. Sickness is not my portion, and thanks to Ossilee hair, I hope I'll be feeling better after I'm done with the styling. lightweight and soft, and there's this silk feeling like when you touch it. It's so sleek. I'm trying not to spoil my coils because I love the coils so much. Smart, thank you so much. I'm happy. I'm feeling myself already. I can't even see myself because there's no mirror here, but I don't know. Just with the way the people behind, the person behind the camera is smiling at me, I already know that I look so beautiful. You know, right? You know, right? Right? Smart said I look like Cinderella. Wow. Really? Are you sure? Guys, do you agree with him? This is the look after the rolling and tonguing or whatever you guys call it. But I love this hair color so much. If you've been following my channel for long, you'd know that this is the first time I'm trying out this color of hair. This brown color suits me. I'm someone that likes it cool, comfy, don't go out of the box, black or natural color. That's like your natural hair color. But trying this brown, I must say that I love this color and it suits my skin tone very, very much. So this is one hair I would recommend. I love this hair. I love this hair so much. I don't know if it's the color or the texture of the hair that I'm loving the most, but what do you guys think? I think it's the color. I think there's something about the color that I can't pinpoint, but it's the color. Yes, I agree with you. It's the color. For me, I would really like to go with my hair like this. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to go back to bed after this video. That's why I'm on very light makeup. But for me, I love this hair like this. But my hairstylist insists on us restyling the hair, and who am I to say no? Let him do his magic. I know nothing about all this serious styling, but this is like my go-to look anytime, any day. So let's see him, or let's watch him do his magic. I'm all his today. look like a doll. I went from looking scraggy to looking like a princess, all thanks to Ossilee hair. Guys, please click on the link in my description box to get all the details you need to shop this hair. You deserve this hair. You're a baby girl, come on, spoil yourself. Guys that are in here, please click on the link in my description box to shop this hair for your mom, your sisters, your baby girls, and all that. For those that would want to get this exact wig I have on because they love me so much, this particular wig is 26 inches, you can see, and it's true to length. I even think I would have liked it like 30 or 34 inches. I don't know where I'm wearing that to. Like I said earlier, this is a 26 inches brown colored deep wave wig. This is 250% density. That's why the texture is this good. Like, it's so soft. I wish you can feel this hair. You can feel this hair. I actually feel very beautiful. I feel great. I don't know, it's so soft and lightweight. It's not like I have anything on my head, but with the way everybody, even my stylist, people behind the camera, they're smiling and I'm feeling better. I feel good. I feel sweet. I feel beautiful, most especially, and I would recommend this hair 100%. So one last important emphasis on important detail I'm giving you to shop this wig is my discount code. With my discount code, you get 10% off the actual price. Who does not like discounts? Kindly use this discount code you're seeing on the screen now to shop this wig and get 10% discount. That is all you need. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you would love to see more of this video. Hope you're shopping this wig. Come on, it's summer now. You don't need those black wigs. You need vibrant colors like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe. I keep saying this for new subscribers, for those that are just breezing and out, subscribe to the channel to watch more of this kind of videos. Lastly, I would love to specially thank Ossilee Hair for sponsoring today's video. Do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.